Hello there guys, welcome to part 4 of our ride to Kanyakumari. Now this ride is turning out to be a dream run or a dream trip, all thanks to my biker buddies and special thanks to my brothers in faith, Sharon, and this is Subin, and also special thanks to my biker buddy Surya from Hyderabad who's been riding along with me. And if you thought the look or the surrounding behind me was breathtaking, wait for a moment, let's just turn around and your jaw will hit the ground. Take a look at this! Beachside Resort, baby. This is the James Court Beach Resort at Pondicherry. Very good accommodation, beautiful accommodation, and the best part is the view. It's absolutely breathtaking. And it's open from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. is what they tell us. But still, Beach View Resort. What kind of a dream is this? Thank you, Lord. So we are at this amazing kind of a standoff here at James Court Beach Resort. Just look at the view, man. You can keep looking at this all day long. So peaceful and so satisfying. Can't thank God enough. So here are the machines getting warmed up for today's ride. Today we're going to move a little further and try to cover a lot more distance, such that I'll try and meet JS Films tomorrow Jason Paji, if he lands up at Dhanushkodi or somewhere close to Dhanushkodi, because that's what he kept telling me. We are in touch over the phone, so he's telling me he'll try to reach Dhanushkodi by tomorrow. So let's see how it goes. We'll also try to cover as much distance as possible today, and let's see how tomorrow unfolds. But for now, stay tuned for all the action that's going to happen today. Okay, off we go. So it's already 1 o'clock, I think so. So I think it's time we had something to eat. Skipped on breakfast to upload the video on time. Also, we need to pick up some clear glasses because ये night visor tinted visor के साथ problem बहुत हो जा रहा है. Once it turns dark, you can't see anything, and on highway touring especially, I would always to root for and suggest clear visor, because we never know when it will get late and you'll have to ride through the night. So kind of realized my mistake. It looks good on pictures, tinted visor, but practically very dangerous. Better to have a clear visor, but instead, since we don't have a clear visor now, picking up some clear glasses such that I can fend off that dust or bug splats that gonna shoot at me like missiles at night if we tour at night. I have a balaclava that's really helping, good quality balaclava from TVS only. So here is where we're gonna have our brunch. இலையில சாப்பிட்ற மசாவே வேற. This is what makes every meal special here in southern part. So, last but not the least, వీడు చూడ్డానికి సన్నగా ఉంటాడు కానీ గట్టిగా తింటాడు. அப்படி பண்ணுமா? சரி பண்ணு பண்ணுடா, டேய் பண்ணு, ஒழுங்கா பண்ணு, இன்னொரு வாட்டி பண்ணு. சரியா பண்ணல, ரொம்ப தெரிச்சுக்காத. ஓகே, his eyes are sparkling with greed for food. Quality food. Foodies understand our language because we love food, man. We love quality food. We're going the extra mile to find quality food, actually. Taking more time than usual to stop and enjoy the food. So இது தம்பி சொல்றாப்ல கரண்டி ஆம்லெட், புளி ஆம்லெட், கரண்டி ஆம்லெட். இது என்னது? இது மட்டன் கோலா உண்டு. அது கூட தானா? புளி ஆம்லெட், கரண்டி ஆம்லெட். இது மட்டன் சுக்கா. మటన్ చుక్క. ఏ ఎక్కడ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం? ఫస్ట్ எங்கே ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுறதுன்னே புரியலையே. எல்லாம் நல்லா இருக்கு பார்க்குறதுக்கு. இது என்னப்பா? நாட்டுக்கோழி பிரியாணி. அவங்க சாப்பிட்றாங்க மட்டனு. நம்ம இது அங்கே வைக்கணும் சார், இது அந்த சைடு வச்சுருங்க. ஸோ லுக் அட் அவர் லஞ்ச் டுடே. డ్రోన్ షాట్ తీస్తున్నావా? తీసావా? ఇంటర్నల్ డ్రోన్. ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட்டு கரண்டி ஆம்லெட் டேஸ்ட் பண்ணணும். நல்லா இருக்குது. பிரியாணி புலாவ் மாதிரி, இட்ஸ் லைக் புலாவ், very tasty. Heard a lot about mutton chukka, so let's taste mutton chukka now. Mutton is so tender and the gravy is just about the right consistency, almost giving you a food review now. The pulao is melting in your mouth, and let me try this. It's like what my grandma used to make, urunda curry. Super good. I'm going to relish this completely. So, sora meen puttu, rasam, white rice. My grandma used to cook this. She kind of fond memories now, nostalgia, and she used to cook the best. So let's see whether this can match that.
How's it, bro?
And आज पढ़ना था.
Cool, bro, cool.
हर बार यही छोरा यार हूँ, नक्को बोल के ज़्यादा खा ले रहे, इतना टेस्टी फूड कहीं भी नहीं मिलता. So really had our stomachs full, awesome taste, and yeah, we're gonna hit the street. Tarangambadi is the destination for tonight. So let's hope we make it before the sunset. So this is the sweet pan. Real kambi kerkare. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சாஃப்ட் அண்ட் கன்சிஸ்டன்ட், இந்த மொத்தம் ஒரு ஃப்ரூட் எக்ஸ்ப்ளோஷன் மாதிரி இருக்குது. பான் மாதிரியே கிடையாது. எவ்வளோ டேஸ்டியாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா இன்னொன்று வாங்கி சாப்பிட போகிறேன் நான். ஸோ தம்பி இன்னொன்று கொடுங்க. இதில் என்னென்ன போட்டிருக்கீங்க?
இதில் வந்து சார் ஆயுர்வேதிக் பொருள் வந்து கடுக்காய், அதிமதுரம், நெல்லி, ஏலக்காய், இஞ்சி, தேன்,
ஓகே
ஓகே.
ட்ரை ஃப்ரூட்ஸ் எதாவது போட்டிருக்கீங்களா? ப்ளம்ஸ், ஃப்ரூட்டி மாதிரி. ஸோ there லாட் ஆஃப் ப்ளம்ஸ் in this and Ayurvedic kind of theme running into this. So can't wait to just devour this. Explosion of flavors and fruits. Man, it's absolutely divine, man. Never known it. அம்மா தமிழ் வராது இந்த பையனுக்கு. எவ்வளோ ஆச்சு?
எடுக்க சொன்னார், கட் ஆயிடுச்சு.
அதுக்கு முன்னாடி கட் ஆயிடுச்சு. மேடம் ரெண்டும் ப்ளஸ் பண்ணி கொடுத்துட்டா 500. 500 ப்ளஸ் அந்த ட்ரை. So the map kind of took us to a wrong place. We're just taking a short diversion. I think we'll be back on the right way soon. But so far the road has been really good. Lots of curves, bends. Roads are also good. Few patches where you need to be a little watchful, but apart from that, majority of the roads are good. I think we've covered good distance. It's reached Tarangambadi now, and the thing that Sharon told me was all these buildings are all French buildings, really old structures that have been maintained well over the years and held up through the test of time. The quality back then was next level for sure. Wow. I just hope the GoPro captures it well, because the sun is setting and darkness is falling. You have the New Jerusalem Church. Wow. And I come here and pray, if possible, Zion Church. It's almost like a church street here. Church of Sweden Mission. Yeah, Tarangambadi, I think. The Danish fort.
இப்போ அந்த ஹோட்டல் போறோம். டீ குடிச்சிட்டு அங்க வியூ நல்லா இருக்கும். அப்படி போனா அந்த சைடு நிறைய குட்டி குட்டி வில்லாஸ் அப்படி அந்த மாதிரிலாம்.
சரி, காட்டேஜஸ் மாதிரி. சோ இப்போ நம்ம எங்க போறோம்? திருப்பிக்கிட்டு அந்த சைடு போறோமா?
ஆமா, அந்த சைடு போயிட்டு அந்த பீச் வியூ இது தெரியுற மாதிரி.
சரிற மாதிரி. சரி, வண்டி உள்ள வரைக்கும் விடுவாங்களா?
ஆமா, விடுவாங்க. ஆனா அப்படி வரணும்.
சரி, அப்படி வரலாம். We take a detour, come that side, have a cup of tea and try to get a beach view.
This Danish food and the
we have the significance of the Danish fort right here. Let's go and read it on the motorcycle. This is Danish fort, Trank Bar. The original name of Tarangambadi. Danish fort still pretty much intact. Original name of Tarangambadi, a port city on the Coromandel coast, was Sadanganbadi. This Danish fort was constructed during 1620 AD by Naval Colonel Ove Geddy with the permission of Tanjavur king. Yet another beach view, back to back, after what happened yesterday. Can't wait to get there. Here we come. The auto guy is blocking the way like a quarterback in rugby. This has to be titled as the beach trip, the beach road trip. Wow. Without pose கொடுக்கணும். Trying to pose for the picture. Let's hope this guy gets the framing right. Yep. He says it's done. I'm the one who's supposed to give you the marks. Give me the photo. Oh, I'm on top of the world. So guys, we have finally arrived at Tarangambadi. And this is Tarangambadi fort and the beach right there. We'll try and capture it tomorrow because the light is fading. The clouds have come caving in and looks like the thunderstorm has already started, which means we'll have to ride through the storm tomorrow. But we are really lucky to find accommodation here. It's called Tanga House. It's absolutely beautifully made. You can see more like an adventure. Come around. Look at the way they have laid out the stairs. Wow. This. Are you ready for it? Here you go. Look at the view. So breathtaking, so mesmerizing. Absolutely magical stuff. And yeah, this trip continues to surprise us, continues to rejuvenate us and energize us. tomorrow we'll be giving you a clear glimpse of the Tarangambadi fort and try to take you as close as possible because it's already started raining and we'll be riding through the storm. So stay tuned for all the action.